Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make loaded nachos in oven. Spread chips evenly, then layer cheese and toppings for balanced coverage. Use shredded cheddar and Monterey Jack for melt and flavor. Add cooked proteins, beans, and pickled jalapenos sparingly to avoid sogginess. Bake until cheese is bubbling and edges are golden, about 8 to 12 minutes depending on oven. Finish with fresh cilantro, salsa, and a squeeze of lime. Layer strategically to maximize flavor and texture in every bite. Start with a sturdy chip base and sprinkle a light layer of cheese before adding chips, repeating layers 2 or 3 times. Place proteins and beans between cheese layers so they heat through and stay moist without making chips soggy. Save fresh ingredients for after baking to preserve brightness and crunch. Serve immediately for best results. Watch the oven closely because timing makes or breaks nachos. Bake at 375 degrees F until cheese bubbles and edges brown lightly, usually 8 to 12 minutes. Remove and let the tray rest 2 minutes so cheese firms a bit and toppings settle. Finish with fresh items like avocado, salsa, and crema after baking. Cut into sections or serve family style with bowls of sides for dipping and sharing.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.